So today we actually made it into the 70s, 73 degrees at the airport. So we're doing pretty good. And you know, the normal high for today is 59 degrees. So the temperatures that we were experiencing yesterday, that's more what we should be seeing this time of year. Not necessarily what we want, but usually what we get, the record being 85. Of course, we haven't come close to that today, and no rain with that, but we did start out with some fog, but forget about that now. This is our Weatherford camera. It is absolutely gorgeous. Hard to find any clouds there. We're at 81 degrees in Weatherford. That is a 25-degree difference from where we were this time yesterday. So we started out with a lot of cloud cover, some fog, but now we are clearing out very nicely. Still some clouds just off to the east. Temperatures are nice and warm. We're at 73 degrees in downtown Dallas, 74 in Hillsborough, 76 degrees in Meridian. We've got 84 degrees right now in Albany, but you can clearly see where that front is just to the north. We are only at 51 degrees in Archer City versus you go south just a little bit and we're at 76 degrees right now in Graham. Overnight tonight, temperatures won't fall a whole lot. We're only dropping down generally in the mid to upper 60s. It's going to be a little bit cooler to the north and west, but I think, yes, right now we've got the clearing skies, but clouds will roll back in overnight tonight, and that's going to keep temperatures from dropping too far. Tomorrow afternoon, that front is going to stay just to the north. And with that being said, temperatures will be warmer than where we ended up yesterday, but just a few degrees, okay, or at least today. So looking at about 75 tomorrow in Dallas, but in Fort Worth, we're looking at about 77, 80 degrees in Decatur, and 81 tomorrow afternoon in Graham. Looking at what the clouds are going to do right now, we've got very clear skies for most of us, but the clouds may be rolling back in overnight tonight. So by tomorrow morning, we're expecting mostly cloudy skies. Areas of patchy fog will be a possibility, should not be nearly as dense because we're expecting more wind. Tomorrow afternoon, stopping the clock at about 7, it looks like still very clear skies, but then we kind of do it all over again by Friday morning into Friday afternoon. So when are the changes really coming? Well, we're still talking about this weekend. When will the rain get here? I think the rain holds off a while longer. Cold front comes in by Saturday evening. This is now Sunday at 8 a.m. and the rain, well, that chance is going to be very low, well to the south and east, but the chance for rain really picks up for the rest of us, I think, as we get into Monday afternoon and Monday evening. So really good chance then. That chance will continue into Tuesday. So this is Tuesday, 7 o'clock in the morning, and we could be dealing with kind of a messy morning commute. And by the time we get into Wednesday afternoon and into the evening, rain chances do return, but it looks like it's going to be just east of I-35. So we do have some rain chances moving in eventually. Tonight, though, I think we stay dry, but the clouds are going to increase again overnight tonight. Temperatures drop down into the mid 60s. The wind's going to be picking up a little bit as well. Tomorrow afternoon, we're looking partly cloudy, dry and warm, looking at a high of about 75 degrees. Generally, the wind's going to be fairly light later in the afternoon. We're going to be in the upper 70s on Friday, Saturday mid 80s, and the record is 85 degrees. That was originally set back in the 1960s, but the cold front comes in by Saturday night. So by Sunday, we're back down into the mid 50s, and it looks like we're going to be staying in the low 50s after that with a really good chance of rain Monday, Tuesday. It looks like those chances go down on Wednesday. Valentine's Day, we're going to be in the upper 50s. That chance of rain is going to be very low. So if you have any evening plans, not worried about it just yet. But after that, those rain chances do come back up for that following weekend.